Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Mwancho murire karibu sana nekiro bono twasera sense moyende eyo moroberio iga nekiro tukurigira omangana yichisemi lituko riarera litigeriga ria Jumatano tugocha kumurikira eskuru bonire gati ya bana bake na bwe eskuru iri ya bana bane eskuru ya junior secondary gose JSS ase amatuka yaiga inse iyo moroberio OCBE karibu sana sangana ntu chinsemo cha YouTube chinsemo cha Facebook na Ketembe TV elinde tunyara gusukira amo na aigase studio ninde enomorokio Mr. Mete twakarore omwalimu twatebanga good morning sir twatinena
yeah sure
good morning sir timezo say student bago napo bado bako faigo
yeah I think mwana maskani aso mwanafunzi ekyo negento to taiko negotiate amaskani o train umwana kurunsi just like we do it at home umwana okumoro beli kurunsi una ko chaka uru day 1 kunota getabe igo so the same thing is happening down there at junior school amaskani ari to anarete kurukare it's the same thing toko instill so kero mwana mogoje class ime mwanafunzi is expected to korokia maskani ari kawaida lazima mbare bagotenna ko bwatene culture ya school na baroro ba correspond by currency but all the same it's a sign of respect for teachers and of course the elder yeah
mbona sana Mr. karibu nainde sanga editoria ono mwancho murigiria endo mwancho murigiria na usobo kwa beranga koro igukago tumeka omono wekenya molero mono eno mwalimu obwegesongo nyara kumanya mwancho murigiria asegesonge ke ngaki okura abana bawo na bwegeria tari awo ndireri eskuru okorwa nereri andake.
All right, asante sana Murari. Ncheseri tangoro kwa Mr. Musoti. Elina limanyikana tamono Mr. Musoti no mwalimu wa junior school. Ngoro ya sub county ya Marani. Skuru koro kwa Nyakeno kwa junior school. So ngagetenga egesongo kero kimna wateba. Nche kono mwalimu egesongo ngagete ne lazima kwa egesongo because actually that's what we teach. Na inere nchera ya moyo chencho buguma bo mwana because intuguna bagusi mwana tawo joko na kegusi kera kwa kuchisikali. Achanya ora basani baje. Na achanya ore abantu abange kuru chingonga awao. Watamaitike gusi.
Yes.
So wana nabakwanire kegusi so ngobetereriere nga lazima to pusha abana aba bakwanike songo. Egere mambi ndengo sokari kuchimwena alia na era manyanga kya kwirwanira na ndiko sena kya kugamba nabantu.
Mbio mwana sana nemi aketa tobono korwa mangana ya junior school asoete and I think no umwalenga abantu bali mwagitweke buka batangani kugenda guchakia abana umurubirio andake motarabeti nonya abana boka batamanyitinga umurubirio na kiorache kubaira naki what can you say asemi akeheta to experience na kikyabeire.
All right, thank you. So tiante bega keronko rigereli ekere programu ya chakete kero serikali ya roche ngatige shift e curriculum kuru 844 to CBE ya saira boniga abaiboli abange bamate CBC lakini currently etoko jorka CBE.
Yes.
Keronko rigereli January 2023 kero this new system ya chagete ngagete we made progress.
Yes.
Twa genderere bia kerongoli 2023 amangana alengoro ibinte binge tutabwate kero tware cheti school chiria lakini abona iga kerongoli gere lindo chenga twa make progress in terms of enrollment, in terms of infrastructure, then in terms of interventions from government. to make progress, na I sincerely want to thank the government because ba kolire keliketa kereko koru egereko make sure nga junior school is there to stay, na junior school weye ngoretere change because kere curriculum yargo chaka mba bwate the objectives na nkagete nga asitore boniga we are somewhere na botokota nga at least we are somewhere kerongo we compare 2023 na 2025 at the moment I can tell nga we are somewhere and something is happening for the betterment of our institutions and of course abana baitu yeah.
Mbiya mona sana nekiro kurigerea abana gotema wa adapt no murobiri wega omoya gosegoswa ase bale school ye primary bale sechi school chire bono chire na comprehensive schools lakini bakorigereria kerengo kia bona abana ndake bakabeire bono bakakorire na class 7 class 8 nigo etofauti ni raroro abana baiga andake wa adjust iye iretegeka
tata bega abana bagwari just Korean environment eri barenge because there was a culture a culture nereru na bono for example in primary school of course in different schools across a culture kile school ne what the culture yabo na kere curriculum ya CBE ya chite in place 2023
yes
ya renge a shock ase abarim asa abaibori na asa wanafunzi aba it was a shock na somehow kero this program yargo chaka the stakeholders abwesa abantu bari mabanafunza abaiboli somehow we appeared nga ntu aringe tayari for that
yes
na you can confirm nga around that time abaiboli mba complain it abana baga complain in fact even teachers baga complain that they were not well prepared for the same. But then again, that will confirm growth is a process. Na toko boka mambi e change rekane ocha kege ento mambi wika marko change rekane. It's a process. Etagete patience, etageta abantu baikaransamo from time to time. Wa deliberate on the best way forward yoko konyo mwana. Na ndeta ko confirm amaene teri rais na onyembo no iga it is 3 years kutochaka the CBE program bado challenges inchiro
yes
bado abana mbari batara fix fully into this because of one issue or the other lakini rende I thank God because no otore and we are doing that which we can to make sure abana they get the best and we will of course achieve the objectives cha CBE muna serikali ya mwite.
Yes, Mr. Mosoti, I think ekiro mwarengi kusekiro mwarego soa asi murobiri wega abange abarimu abange ndo kiro kindi kyali kubachanda training mwate training na boigo ase ensemo yo mushahara itinga mwatu ari tukonkusana sana ne serikali timetinga andake bonige kiro kurigerere notevenga borokia bari ba JSS boniga mbare beta prof kubwa matukari
nga kinere mwara roje district nga kire mwara roje city gaiga ndo amenya te street gaiga nege ndo kya garete to arenge street gaiga is because of mapato what we are getting as salary or payment or reward at the end of the day ngiaringe correspond ne workload elio mwalimu areko kore ground at that time. But then again ndageta ko tebanga thank you very much as a government because they have done that which they have done go change obu mwalimu o junior school.
Yes.
Enga kieli mwara to arenge street gaiga omwalimu aringe waka no 17,000 omotinyo mogima 17,000 elio go some 14 learning areas echitwarenge korka subjects we no longer call them subjects echikorku learning areas
yes
14 na 2023 ye 2024 part of 2024 you realizing igore school otomire oraya bweka tobwati mondo magoshare nere subjects yechi gose these learning areas na yabweka mutuna magega na yabweka
nayo mentirasi school
na yabweka ole school eri tobwati a colleague na yabweka junior school omwalimu oyomo in fact ndate ko tabaiga obo gima bo mwalimu asomwa ko yo 2025 because majority yabani ba junior school ebabete confirmed January this year.
Yes.
Ujakira 1st of January this year 2025 nari abarimu abange cohort 1 na cohort 2 nari babete confirmed abarimu around 45,000 na ngagete as of now na botorocha big change. Teachers are no longer complaining mo no buna baringe kolera because ngakiri abarimu bonse ba junior school onta yotaringe kolera to NCP ngolera to arenge because ya mapato arengense egasi ere nyinge amapato arense so ngware konyora that motivation yokuboka mambi kogende gasi kose ngware koigunga you are working because 17,000 with this economy nabo yarenge gasi enkong but we thank God and we thank the government that at least we are somewhere about junior school except a court ya chite ya magega boni gabatara ba confirmed of which I believe na boromba ba confirmed kuchuma
as an internship
about internship boni ga ngagetenga abana ba junior school as of now they are doing well na we are looking forward to seeing these teachers balibia bagosomya abana so that we can achieve the objectives cha CBE na serikali ya mwetu kuchinja.
Yes, mbemono sana Mr. Ase anse moye training andake training mwanyorete was it enough wose mwegete na bado mukanyoranga sekirasi mbopwana tukogenda an extra mile kuba training area serikali yabo tukete na boygo training nagendete ko kiraboniga.
Okay. Buna nate bana kwa naiga in my opening remarks nate banga amangana ya CBE asenjera ya mone yende it's like the stakeholders were not ready enough for this but lazima kulingana na serikali kwenye yuna yabikire mikakati ya lazima yari gochaka na ndi yachakire we are somewhere now ndate kota was a training ya balimu negendrete
Yes.
abalimu kwa na bari training from time to time in fact asekera hey holiday April, August na December teachers ngo bare capacitated ngo na bare chi training mbali chioko ba equip na skills na competencies chirichiraga ba deliver content wose ba achieve the set goals cha CBE because you realize CBE is about a practical application whereby umwanafunzi atakere kumanya wakore bintegete practically asenjererie otokotanga in a practical way one on one ago interact na if it means onye ne camera gose simbi bune umwanafunzi atakere go kumanya onye ne video ako record ngaki ako ya record okomoa tori komo so mi so modenge simie ko bwatu kanyo you must have that phone in class onye ne computer bune lazima atware computer in class omodenga ki okobataga kere computer go ki okobataga ikwa bataga so that those are the practical applications then umwanafunzi yonataka aelezwe the really live experiences obogimana kibori and I think that is the most interesting part ya CBE umwana nataka ko elezo ngaki obogima bori in practical ways in black and white umwana ta ngobogima bori A B C D ekegetabeti ekegekoba koko koraiga ekegekoba society takoretiga ekegekoba gose society ekorega ekengoba kire so those are the really live experiences chiri maybe some of us during our time ntwara ko tabunga into twara ko class me you wait for an exam okoro and to the next level lakini mwanafunzi osai atoko tabanga it's an all round learner ama itekeregento ota komo itekeregento omote yeke kerege and that's why you realize nowadays abanafunzi ababake na abana bake barenka bamata mangana mange bako mwana akole bintu bako wakuminga ki umwana one myaka 5 abwate ko se myaka 7 abwate ko se 10 abwate because umwana yamaite bintebi so I think that was the whole idea of CBE the introduction of CBE na a training ya balimu negendrete ego chiko enable to achieve these objectives na javada set out by the government. Yeah.
As to kwandira practicals, chiskuru chinyinge chichire elisavu, ose chiskuru chinyinge amangana laboratories andake nchare ngororo. Onye ebirasi byoka komento kirasi ekigabune kya grade 9 inkiabete getiro sana. Timetinga aboroki wabo igabare grade 9 na aboroki wabo ente gotari kwa sechi lab na bwo okoroki webinto na bo iko banyare kumanya go ekorera. Omuchando yiga eserikali yanyare ko yosonsora.
Na te banga Rome was not built in a day.
Yes.
Kero to achagite kero CBE achagite. In fact niali chiskuru chonsi chabate chela balatri. Niali. Apart from private schools, because a private school ekine ine biashara byo monyene na ro kumanya kya kubibanga byo attractive egari na liara nyor clients, lakini asa magana serikali yaro serikali bata policies na enga kieli CBE achakete. I can confirm nganto what the laboratories equipment chela punjare ngor nto about the competencies choko handle abana abu using those things.
Yes.
At that point in time. But then again, puna to ikiribono kuru 2023 and 2025, I must say that there is progress. Chiskuru chia acquired this equipment, teachers very in charge of these junior schools wa gora gure one or two things. VH lab, abandi ba create some temporary structures, chiko act as laboratories, egera sabana abagenda robakoraki. Chiskuru chine nchi the neighbors. Senior schools. Okonyore school mnabona ene junior school era, the next compound is a senior school.
Yes.
As a babuate well equipped laboratories, abana they just cross over the fence bagenda ba to make a laboratories chiri for practicals. Unlike bone problem aseko vera ne linga okonyore school ne reta bwadi a senior school as a neighbor. Ebete rating maybe mogende a distance muchikori school
kosenga hoye
engao egera abana abakoreki bakobuchoro, which is also a risk. It's not easy kokoba abana unabona distance entambe ko batambuke para and all that. Because abana aba ko control abana especially gero rumu ngo sino yomo, because you realize okonya ko so mu no yomo ko so that learning area ose unabona to what that is integrated science. Integrated science abumba biology no ereme chemistry physics.
Yes.
3. That's why they are called integrated. Moro kinoyo?
Interview
abana ubwate ko 100 ngakyo ko batambukie para na abana no mata abana imyake ya 10 na 14 na abana bare curious na bakonya rakande ka tumire ko chiali yo ndo tumire ko chiali, it becomes a challenge. So as a manage chilab, it's a challenge even as I speak, but then again I thank our teachers across schools because they are doing the best. Na wako enda bako rakanta kamo onye practical geta kanto gete kwa motai gete geta kerneke ogenda oreta mambiene ko kumoteni ngwate gendo kete naleketa kere practical ne takete gendo kete nando koraki oenda wakwaya, and I think they are doing the best, and the government is also very supportive from time to time ensuring abana they get the best skills.
Yes.
Yeah.
Igo nonye chiskuru echiga chire senior schools batemre ko ba accommodative.
Yeah. Senior schools abange most principals for senior schools, they are very understanding. From my personal experience, I want to say school surrounding school and they have been very cooperative. Once kwa mu approach kwa matebring inyiwetenda tabana banegaiga bare one or two things, they have always said welcome. They have always opened the doors for us.
Yes.
And I want to really congratulate them. And but I thank you very much. At the end of the day, no mwana toko konya. No mwana Kenya toko konya. And I think to me that is what is important. So principals of senior schools across. Tinda ukese so principal ya very approached. Ko ala bana ba junior school ko enda ko access lab ngokandre bana bagendor. We have very good relationship na principals. As far as I'm concerned, tinda nyora another problem nga also a principal neri akande bana ba junior school bagendor. Yeah.
Mr. Wasoti wakwira ni amagega andake abari mumpare babiri bagwa kwa transfer gose banyorete benyorete bago relocate chinga ki JSS yagosoa kuko tebanga abali mumponsi babete buya kose chitra ko ba transport kolina korokungware tutumuchano no nyaboroki wambale bachenchiwa abana barabake abali miaka kose 11 bachenchi ukorwe penyoro batumire chisukuru chirare asingincho yomoroberio yega.
First of all, that go from the little knowledge imbate asa mwana yechi transfer cha barimu again take tangani warune it's a calling.
Yes.
Obarimu ne calling okwerwa kero to arenge university okwa to arenge berika nga kero ko graduate nyore gas negina kerenge kenne kiro mondo kero ko ende skuru at the end of the day again to tete negas egero bo mabwo genda buya so amangana transfers chirocho na bego toka nga unabona for example nje na arenge elsewhere eskuru nenga una arenge before ndaraja junior school last monyo disturbance kero ko relocate disturbance ne de watch.
Yes.
Lakini rende with the time ngochore kwa accept na ndi wa adapt ne environment iri okogenda kwanya wa adjusting ngora onye no kunganye family yao kwaje nganye kura sekare kwaje reta gari asore onye no kumove ibintu byao kurugale sibikari kwa bireta gari asore egere na liora nyara ko gas because in any case no nya gari still ne gas na ga kana ko nyorre gas inde na igas ene ndo gwatagete so ogo sicho bongo kwa mwa whatever tiga bono ngiche gaiga lakini tate ko accepting a challenge nero kero monda ko move from a place to the next place or to another place that is that disturbance gocha lakini with the time and especially kero ko accepting tiange na colleagues na ndebo na movie kwa rusho bongo bwa kale square nge kwa boleta ko chaga it becomes easy and I think we are able to move on tutego to issues chinyinge lakini transfer disturbance na error na bana mwanafunzi uso mwalimu disturbance yengo bero error lakini ende kere environment yako bengi agali so wachire life becomes good. Yeah.
Mbia mono kigima na ndake timori korago se I have no more kia tori konyoranga learning areas echiga whatever chire komenanye asaboroki wabaya andake nchiri ko baingira
learning areas na nata bakero to argo chake jarenge 14 lakini kera abatokor ka experts ama the curriculum developers bati tukoligeli bakara it is impractical kutwara 14 learning areas considering nga again take tangani ndo bwati bani baisaine ndo bwati equipment chi saine and all that so bakareta bakamaji subjects kete unabona ko nyoro muno ro kurugose pre-tech obwate mabuse business studies obwate computer obwate na another subjects igabu ndo bwate mulimu na creative arts ko nyoro bwate gose music imabu art and craft no ere mabu all those things so chikaba reduced chikaja baka kianda. So those are the learning areas we are handling at the moment kianda so you can realize nga bono for example ko nyabona njeno mwana bwege songo but ngobetire liere so agriculture I'm teaching agriculture in class go so mimde social studies and sama ongo shia to no mwana go so pre-technical na bwate party ya go so me pre-technical kuna ko nyara so business studies na njena so computer on the other side so asengi tutai saini so body challenge na error.
Yes.
A challenge na error. And that's why
Mister wakwanire bunabono social studies umete yarenge andake kero montare primary kako so high school kwanyara ntubate geography ntubate history yanyara kuba separated ntubate murume ubuna CRA ekero bari grade ke ya gatano na kabere wike grade ya kianda emero mo nerire bado bakora bado
bura nata bakera to achakite 14 yarenge lakini kero curriculum developers bali gereti batatiga emere monere kumanchi korrekananga na beko batot no mwalimu oyomo na ndiko sene bwate some relationship muna bono integrated science abagadanga umwalimu science so umwalimu science is expected asomi integrated science aboso bwate biology no ereme chemistry no ereme physics no ereme assuming campus ya wasomete maths chem. Yes. Na beko nyare kana goso monto naro korte baya Greek. Just because wa korte baya Greek. Wa korte baya Greek. So a Greek is not a science, it's a technical subject.
Yes.
lakini bono still we qualify you buno mwalimu o science lakini mbayo korete so ekobetera dio osomi because mbayo korete bona ayo osomi integrated science so goikorie mbino osomi abana ba chemistry goikorie mbino osomi abana yo physics so I think that's another challenge to bwate ntora ikele level elinga bona njengo somi gesongo gyoka nsomi gesongo gyoka
una kurukale ya
buna yari ingego
English lit
English lit unaona I should be teaching English literature across the streams unaona grade 7 and 8 9 nsomi eskuri ane njengo somi gesongo njeweka lakini ande koko ganda kuji social studies konyanga still I'm the one teaching rather handling social studies na agriculture na computer correct so that's a challenge so ntora ikele level and that's why maybe ngota banga bado atchafika lakini ende effort area abekiru chinguruchire serikali yabekira na the stakeholders tunashukuru sana yeah
amagana course books evitabu serikali nebwatogete
yeah ase evitabu bira bintate kota banga ndo chinga kira almost kire term ngo receive to evitabu na kinata banga in as much as keroto ariko cha CBE most of us were very uncomfortable nero the government meant business serikali kwenye ya mwire ngegenteke was to stay ebitabu ngo chabire kirengaki in fact I can say nga again to tutakere kwa gacha bono ichi library chiko colleagues because ebitabu birobyo we are receiving books na asebiko beko bono no atakirari kigu egere tutuare enough rooms chi hall asa abana bako during their free time maybe their long break or maybe after the last lesson saa 8 saa 9 abana abanyora ase bakonda baikaransa abana bare banje to ikaransa se banya kosoma egere baba given that opportunity yo kunya ku explore because this is also part of the CBE ebitabu bira bingo chabira serikali is doing its part na I cannot complain so far so good
yes mbia mwana sana Mr. nekero wacha sense mo ya Bible gose to kwana nonya guardians baba rokiwa baiga eroli abonereria se uko basira bune no bali mwirinde munyare kone kibuna abana baiga babira sagia
okay thank you ndata kota baiga umwanafunzi ko succeed asoboge mobo nasamanga na masomo in general umwanafunzi atakete ebintu bitatu egende getangani umwanafunzi atakete umuibuli umwanafunzi na atakete mwalimu umwanafunzi na atakete the stakeholders bachamo karaba bwataniramo umwanafunzi yamako ba successful chimutwari without abanda batatu mwanafunzi takuba mwanafunzi ndogotwara wanafunzi na ndogotwara generation so ndate kota baiga abaibori baito they are doing the best ngota mabalesi bakonyara ntwe manyite background tokuru abaibori baito nche from the simple experience na rodire fse miake yetatu ganara verere gaiga abaibori baito they are doing their best they are doing their best whenever they have been called upon maybe inchu torenga kitogo shauriana torego senta nyore no mwarimu BOM akonye because gasi abuchire parents have always come through ngo chabare baikaransanse egana no mwarimu BOM motoka okonya abarimu aba junior school because gasi ne nyingi so na maybe kero gento kende getakere school ngo ikerere kwanyara no ebinto mbira abana batakere lazima turangilia abaibuli tuba involve tubabulinga gento getengeta kerenga kitoro chetokara tokonya abana aba I want to say abaibuli abange are very positive na muibuli tayonga getenga orare to mwana school otatete ku support mwana we abaibuli abange they are very supportive na really I want to thank them na by encouraging the only way yo change generation in society no ko make sure abana aba they are in school and they are being provided for egere bachago wekonya samutu kamambi yeah
mbia mwana sana umwancho muligire na kero togendete no boroberi kokubori nyara usangana into chinsemo cha Facebook chinsemo cha YouTube na niko ngukomanya abona ase ebire bigabya bwana bambi roboti rogo chane ratwikire aiga ndori nga umubasuka no mube wepara onyarire korekana chinsemo cha daraja 2 ase chinga kiye chiga cha bwana bambi kirondo chenga wekira boniga nigo abantu babiri bakagire gusiria amagimabo nekero bono abande batigirwe echingomo ino bosokana korekanire chinsemo cha daraja mbili igasombo cy'obusongo ase ebiro ebiga abyabono mwambisanga n'incho chinsemo cha Facebook YouTube munagetembe TV tumanyire tari aho chinsemo chiri to batekuru nabo igo ekerengere kyaongereki ane muno ase umuroberiga OCBE atokurigereria umurengo gose ekerengo keri ya junior secondary school Mr. Buna umwalimu andake nobwate kobo seme ucha se aborokyo ntubata aborokyo bari barasi chi college na Boyot University au bako somero aborokyo parache ko enyora abandi bako so ase JSS abandi bachiko so senior schools anake ogo engana yogo semeriora bae ase ebirobuna ebiganereri.
Okay, thank you. It's a very interesting question, but it's also a challenge to me.
Like it qualities chiri umuntu went to especially in times like now.
If you can allow me, ninyora matoka etero chimaga kre nargo junior university. Ngakinero mondargo otenga ko graduate.
Yes.
You are going to take a miaka menge sana utaranyoregas. And I want to confirm no mine because we have cases ko nyoro mwana very risk for a very long time. Paka kwa ranga inki bana na charity school.
Yes.
I mean the whole idea loses meaning. Ngagetinga things have now changed.
Yeah.
Ngisa ko pima se miaka ye ange very go chimaga. The rate at which the government yachakire ko haya abarimu ba abarimu in general monomona focus ya various junior school ndaita ko confirm the narrative has changed. It is no longer kore school gendo kore bintemi ngao oganye miaka 10 ko 15 years omakoriko. I can confirm ntobwate abana bakebarwete campus the other day. As late as 2022. 2022 basoire barikiru on permanent and pensionable terms. Nekiombe TSC, our employer. And that should tell you things have changed. The narrative, the story has changed completely. So a challenge in that my brothers and sisters, those who are aspiring to join campus and those already in campus, graduate chase your dreams. Your dreams are valid till such a time that you learned that opportunity. Work hard in class, remain focused. Na kiliorengereti na kiokoba. If you want to become a teacher like myself, that is what you will become. Orengeri you are a failure. Believe you me, you'll struggle so much. But remain optimistic na be a model. Na bana balia bakekera ba kuligeli batanga I want to become like so and so. Ndatako babuna nyarebe because we are also models. We are the mirrors. Kero mwanafunzi au kuligeli aku admire.
Yes.
Atagete abe bunaye. Enchiroko dress, enchiroko kwana, how you relate na banafunzi aba, it is a factor. Jogo chenchubo kimapo mwana. It's not about kuiro mwana class imeomo somi go somo iro mota ye practical yao koruga and all that. No, that's not enough. Alimu, you are a role model. And that's why you realize no nya yenga kikwara gukina. At some point ingo tabakwa rengenda itakwa una nyarebe. There is this one person or a media personality maybe during news or a given show, whatever, I want to become like that one. And believe you me, you are here today. So the same thing is happening to us. So keroro mwalimu, you must be that role model. Egera bana ba okera ba koligeli batanga, I want to become like Mr. Mosot. I want to become like Madam Matilda. Because in any case, that is what life is. So and that's why these learners are coming to us, because in this process, we understand how the process is. So they are looking up to us as a good example. We are setting the pace for them. So we must be good examples and role models. So those guys in campus and colleges across, just focus and your dreams are valid. Yeah.
Mbona sana Mr. Mosoti. Ase kira eskuru, kose toku kwana nonye bono your learning area, kose eri ogosomi, nigere English elite na wigo nemere moyende. Ototiga twabere tokorore tofauti omwalimu naroro konyora nga aboroki wabaye ebago okora bia kubwa onde bwensi gose kubwa onde bwensi ase school taringa no murimo romobe kwanyora ngo mwalimu mungaise kore twaso umurimo naho bagokore bia ingige korete tofauti gati aborokia kwanyora ngo mwalimu naroro kera kunira asegete bakaboroki wabarorekane ko babia
egente getangani na nekere torenge school ngosomwe torenge mangana attitude change attitude ngo contribute greatly not only in class across na nyeni ndio kerto kore binte bito enchero correlate abanafunzi ba enjera ba correlate naye is a factor ego chigo determine whether umwanafunzi yoyo ngochareko ko etabuya go study ko chigo etabuya a very good example eto ko mwanafunzi or from the word go relationship yao na abana abo gosomi teringia tata for example abana aba maybe bakoboete maybe go say you are tough go stop at the time na borobu because the moment mwanafunzi realizing atubu at the time nere go chakire ko we disconnect kurwa sorry na kero mwanafunzi chakire we disconnect kurwa sorry it means a simple thing mwanafunzi yo tari go chiko take interest pinto ko kora kyokomote okomotebi a very simple and I think this is a very practical thing.
Yes.
Kero tagedo mwana kore bia in your learning area again take tangani you must build a relationship. There must be that rapport, that connection. Lazima urigi nchira you design mechanisms choko connect no mwana oyo either through interactive sessions na nekero class there is a way you can crack jokes na wanafunzi kwa connect. I mean try as much as you can to make that subject or that learning area simpler. Neba ne sabu okoro mwana naro tariko nyore sabu yego there is a way you can do it bako mwana yacha ko twara acha ko change that attitude egera acha ko taka kumanyanga nkiboneke esabu ebono ngaki umwana makunyaka raisiga gose esabu ngakia rafiki ya ne tornere in this study group aka because CBE is about abana kwikaransa amu na goshare una twikaransa ega abana ba surround iga babeke entonces kwa ba problem kwa batebono sort that problem tigo mwana chake kumanyanga inkike ko era na inchenda njitege nteke so keroko oko cultivate that positive attitude aso mwanafunzi yo ne abanga tata this learning area ero mwana go chaka ko change ngara so the more mwana yako ba close naye the more want to get just kyo kora and that's why I've said this kero buno mwalimu it's not about even class work mwalimu is all round you mold mwana obunota kitabe you can either make life for this learner or mess it up altogether. So what I'm saying is a disparity, a gap nere kutoka nga mwalimu A is doing well in his or her learning area and mwalimu B is not doing well in his or her learning area. A narrative is simple. It's all about attitude change. Mwalimu change attitude, mwanafunzi akoreki a change attitude. Keraba ndaba umirandamo with changed attitude, believe you me, there must be a step going forward. Yeah.
Na ekira to kwana Mr. Musoti kira to kwana mungana discipline asi amatuka abono iga tumitinga abana omete andake abana ba CBE rero mbare gukuni wa biboko discipline yererie yega mogutumika ikiagera bona abana barorekanire bare curious mono abana bagotaka batema kirigento nande babone to gukanyo otatiga ebiboko discipline imogutu timetu sebo kongo tumeka hase jiskuru waliga
okay ebinto mbire buna bari mutagoteba rendegas ngende tanga ni rendegas because anyway egasi no na no wata abantu bakotekemete na ende in as much as na bana bagokonya na no wata abantu bakotekemete na no wata buguma bwao so egento kya muhimu rendegas kera serikali yatetenga biboko mbiri gutumeka I think mbai karansete bakatwara a lengthy discussion baka agreeing kweli eboke maybe they are not doing good asabana and baka design other ways to correct the behavior yo mwana because mwana er no mwana na bako amagosa na bako toke at any given time now obwalimu nabo bunga parenting oboreri obo abaibori bakora kurunga no bwalimu obo tokora nabo ngo oboreri. In fact parenting no bwalimu obo is one thing. Umwana kare skuru ano muibori no muibori kore nkagari nkomanya ore ng'omwana orero mbiare so mwana orero taibia nabo kumanya ng'omwana orero okorera magoso gete kose mwana orero mbiare tabwate magoso ndonse nabo kumurigeri because mwana noyo.
Yes.
So as teachers na intunto maite ko assess abana aba baito because to aberre na borobu we know them na ande into maite abana ba obuna bono nekero ro muibori nga no maite ko class fa abana bao no maite no moto ereru tabwate mangana ande ni motege na mugondo na ende ka ko mugondo motege no reta jinsi aga na ende miyoka roje teko complain naro nari kemi no como te buna enda mugondo ako te ige kasi ani ditkele ya correct ya it's the same thing because that's also a community of its own. So abana abunto babwate ngumanya tore ndoma to mwana uri ole noti ndoma to mwana ore gentle otawate manganande na nendo bwata abana bari bara average kati abute kumanya linga kortaki alengereti. So keroro mwalimu because you are also a parent ngumanya uri chitabi kero kwa manyiri chimbu cha abana aba ngumanya ore bono kero mwana uchikome akora magoso kose ngumanya ore kero mwana akora amagoso. So kwa arrest situation hiyo okumurangeli mapema kwa mwikaransize kwa mukwanira chisukuru gage story ndobwate departments ndobwate guidance and counseling you go take care of amangana discipline kero kwa issues go say there's a problem somewhere and as a teacher kwa noting there's a problem mwanafunzi abwate you move with the speed go address that issue. If it's a problem you cannot sort out you escalate it ndobwate the head teachers in these institutions say chairs here domiciled teachers they are the supervisors, they are our seniors. So keroroje problem ere beyond you, ere beyond the class. You go there matayo mwalimu there's a problem here, then from there if something that can be sorted out it can be sorted out. Number 2 omwana ataketanya kukwanero mwana onde bwens to kwanero mwana limuti ko tenga bono nje na kora nile na motetiri tikabona era kora nikiatakete omwana funzi onde bwens lazima yani you must be there every minute na abana ekara games lazima onyo romo anuka ikrasa somewhere kuba monitor what they are doing in class. You must monitor everything none side none njero mwana go so school in the morning asa yabana bari batari in boarding schools keren we comment omanyi mwana uyo change limbiare nini and all those other things so that we keep on talking to them from time to time because in any case in area assignment ene tubwate. Yes. Yoko make sure nga to model chitabija bana aba egere bacha kwekonya asama tukamambi.
Mbia bona sana Mr. Musoti tutaragenda mutumukomoke nko asometi andake ngwale ngo mwalimu BOM ase skuru yarenge tutebe secondary school asama tukayo. Watire bona sabana bali myake mekake abana bako torate bago approach ya nali bago so adolescence. Kwa rorire tofauti kati ya abana baiga bari junior school na andake na bari bona se senior school asama tukaega abana baiga mbaganeti any special attention and like bari baso ire class bona bona uchi form tugo chigoro
ngakineroro ngakitwarenge njana kiratwarenge primary school ndo wate learning area rin home science under that learning area ndo wate ndo twakarukire human development and in campus kerotwa chetoro there was a common unit ya record human growth and development where we talk about the general the general issues pertaining the growth of a human being and all that in terms of behavior, in terms of body change, all those things. So abana aba kerobare junior school na abana bake abana be miaka 11 14 years 15 no ya omwega 16 abokonyora aba still na abana bake omwana ore form 2 form 3 nkonyora abana bari no 17 18 even 20 years depending on umwana asomete school ndate kote baiga abana aba stage bare igekorku the exploration stage ba ku explore they are experiencing changes semebere yabo. They are experiencing changes because of the environment where they come from and several other things. Factors ni nyingi. Abana ba squeeze watoto aba CBE they have been exposed to so many things. Maybe they are very exposed to this very many things. Ngo mbibwate positive na negative bits of the same. So as teachers, what a role. And that takes me back to what I said. Teachers are also parents. Part of the role to go play in school, apart from classroom work, is parenting. Omwana oyo okumumonta unanateba. We take a lot of time kwa monta wanaba. We are able to telling omwana because ako behave ga ne stage. Na kero kwa omwana ako behave in a weird manner, was ako behave in a way that is strange. Omwana ndiro konyoro omwana ako mwenenu. Overnight, just the other day she was good or he was good. Kakuboka mami kakuje school kwanyara kachakiri kwene na kabwato bwenenu kwate yendo kemi na kwa kwatenga ki ndake tora panguza na ne kapwe simu ikaransete. Kwara kako take a lot of time gosaka so sluggishly. As a teacher, there's a way you approach that issue. You don't lash out. Go shout, so go reprimand umano so seriously. There is something you notice. Umano is growing. Do this because it is important. Because this is what will culminate your growth. Maybe because I behave in a certain way, so as teachers, into what role? Behave in a way, find out. You need to sink, deeper. And as a parent also, because nku understand yo nga ki stage ko manyanga kyo o conduct umwana oyo egerenga with the time na okonyoranga nku erengere lyali kwa nyoro chakiri ku behave asenjererengia atari kusumbwa lakini also kuma very tough ne stage ta konyara ko ye skip it will be a problem. And that's why you realize konyoranga maybe umwana oyo tamiri ku school ochira and all that lakini ocha kumurangeri kera kwa rira chakiri ko koreta obwene no bosinini moikaransinse motei koraiga mambitin konyora ko koraiga kuko irore. I mean, you can talk and keep talking because okwana romana kogerekera ngogera kora bana ba change. And I think that is the role. Yes. We as teachers, we need to embrace.
Mbia mono sana Mr. Musoti tukugenda omutimo komoke nekero turachukwirana tugendera kurigereria egati yaria to bangite ko murekera ritkoria rero rinde tuchokoro omorobere korenda sebono kenda gotonyora chinsemo cha Facebook chinsemo chiri cha YouTube na Getembe TV asomorobere yoiga ore AM ase AM igumancho murigereria sanga ujumbe yao chaiga ase studio ekero tumanyerete rero chinsemo chiri tubwatite korwa na boigo ekirengerere kyao nkiriki anamono ekiro bana bange bono banyarire kwa just gochase umurobere moya wechi seme umurobere OCBE korenda sobono tobaza Oscar Mancho morigereria nekero ndochenga to raligereria aikati abale bagendete koba anaintwe ntubate Dennis Kerandi agoteba korochinsa mochiria chana Kuru City Salams Club na boigo ntubate timu yende nene kigima ase chinsa bobona ichiga cha Facebook abo bagendete gosanga anaintwe ime yomorobere ntubate bana bana bas egekonge kebaso agoteba korochinsa mochiria cha doa Qatar na boigo ntubate Bonventure Mobisa korwa kirwa mosocho atano areme yomorobere Wycliffe Omogusu agoteba good morning Getembe TV. I can see my friend Mr. Musoti articulating important issues concerning junior schools. Still, we are encountering challenges more so in the grounds of the schools. The environment is not pleasing at all because it seems even where we are domiciled, some of the hoys literally don't head
of institutions.
Yes. Literally don't need to spend in order for a learner to benefit. Another challenge, the government should work hard to employ more teachers because in the universities we were trained subject but here we teach everything where we don't have passion in teaching, and this might end up causing problems to learners. Wycliffe Kenyenya agoteba nigo agoteba chair watching you mbia mona sana. I think no mo manyeto morokia mwenza na omusori bwege sisa hoteba watching live corona City Salams Club na Eric Magare Onyamoya Mr. abwasi ogotebunga andaka gosomya omoremo otabwati passion ingiranyare gusanga
I think
okonyora kwarutirwo cyo gusomya ese mogete
it's the same thing is the same scenario I painted out at the onset of this program nata baiga I used myself as a living example nata ba Mosoti is a renowned teacher of English and literature having produced great teachers who are in class teaching right now lakini kirona swete yes inagotebinga currently I'm handling social studies I'm handling agriculture and part of computer it is what we are going through as teachers of our junior school and we are not complaining the word mwalimu yakwa now is passion that is the key word you know, when you do something passionately, believe you me, the outcome will also be marvelous, perfect. That I must say. Lakini kiroko regento, like you are being pushed to do it, ultimately the outcome may not be so impressive. That is for sure. So Kirato Rega Junior School, in as much as we are giving it our best, I know teachers across, junior school teachers across this country are giving it their best to ensure that the Kenyan learner gets the best, and indeed that is the focus. Into to our employer and government. Tika balimu bache, balimu bari ikwe. Egere na nenjenda atikare kinga somi English and literature, so that I can give my skills, so that I can teach passionately and transfer the knowledge I have, the vast knowledge I have on matters of English and literature to those young ones. We nurture them, we nurture talent. For example, that the coin na example kia school ya ya Nyakenogo Junior School. Keroto irabana count music. That falls under my docket as a literature teacher, because that's part of literature. Music is literature. Abana bari bako kete maybe mbanya ko move out of the county go compete na other schools in the county in matters music and those other things. Kero tu achiete school tu achiete compete Sameta Boys High School na tu arengenya range venue yaito abana funzi bana I could see omogoko wate they are dressed smartly bachakire kobe exposed yani na nche me ane nkeboringa onye ndrimbo ate enough time ngosomi literature yoka ncha kuna cha talent so that I will have enough time yoko identify abana abamanyanga who is going to be the actor mbari bachi kobaje script writers ingo chikoba a very good storyteller. We are a very good actors and actresses in those classrooms. It's only that we don't have the time yoko ikaransa situ chake to concentrate because the objective ya CBE is to ensure that we identify and nurture talent because it's not about classwork. What is important here is that we need to nurture. We identify talent, then we grow that talent. In this country, it's not a rocket science. You can confirm what I'm saying. Athletics is paying. Content creation is paying currently in this country, and people are living large courtesy of content creation. So who told you omwana ukare kenyoro mahali kati skuru mahali ukota chance kuje skuru takonyara create content given the opportunity omwana just go given the opportunity. So this will happen kerera talking that there is enough manpower, there is enough staffing, teachers are enough in class, we have the resources, we have the facilities in place. I'm not saying the government is not doing enough, but I know for sure government they are on track, but we still need more. Yeah.
Mbia mwana sana. Dennis Kirande out watching live kuna chinse mochana Akoro City Salams Club na boigo Onduma Nicodemus out good morning Getembe TV ereniga kuru kwa Nicodemus kuru chinse mochiria achia magena. Mbia mwana sana gendera gusanga anainte ujumbe chaino uchaiga studio namba yesi minere yo it is 0726 44 73 67 manyerieta chinse mochirio kuru na boiwe kirengerere Josephat Okindo out kuru chinse mocha tabaka watching yo live. Mbia mwana sana kwani ya family iyo Kindo kwani family ya Kaunda kura chinse mocha atabaka mbia mwana kigima soko genda gusanga ime iyo morobere na boigo Vincent Onsongo autaba aka Kovo autaba niko ndani ya no arime yo morobere autaba say hi to Mr. Mosoti mwambie tuko pamoja pale
Kahutuni, that is a nickname ya junior school. Yeah, because of one or two reasons. So it's just a nickname, yeah.
Mbia mwana sana wancho murigire abo toko gendo mutimo kama kena boyo ntuirane gukorera.
Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati enda usialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asiko babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia aye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo obuchikunyara kwabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho busongo eywerangene neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Amona mabaki
Asigika kimyaka mirongo ene na kenda ebenki ya Wakenya Pamoja Sacco yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemi bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bari chinse chimaiko ase Wakenya Pamoja Sacco yabere ogusira okonene ase abaremi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpane ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boygo abonjereria ibotani na Wakenya Pamoja Sacco iyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinsemo buna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa loan buna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo Wakenya Pamoja Sacco iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house daraja moja asipara ya kisi sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu ya www.kenyapamojasacco.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa isa kwa mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chala Wakenya Pamoja Sacco kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikome na inya chire within gusi wana hintu tora nogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase Sacco na gosegwa ase sake ese wali batala join please njubwango mo join tukini Sacco yeto na gusi yeto esa magenda Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda ayo mworo karuge etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda ayo mworo karuge etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandegere uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandegere
amwanjo morire negero togende tukona mangana ayeti semi hana mono tuko sanganere omorokia o junior school Mr. Isaac Mosoti nekiragende tutwere igati yali bagende tugwetera barabuna aborokia na kibanyari kwibanga kigima ikiro babwate aborokiwa abale emyaka 3 bono inse ya junior school ekendera usangana inte asimitana ya kijemu na wegwetera namba yetu ye studio Mr. Mosoti andake bono metu twakwanairia obwa mate bwaino na borokiwa toro chia mangana tukuriya mangana buna bono siasa ngo chenjere twarigereria mangana technology kiregento nkigendete wa advance osetigana inde mobwate oboteneneri bwaino korwa ase eno muna borokiwa ti aborokia timeti ekiombe ekiakopet mwansi mole wose mbaroro bari asense moyende.
Thank you. Ndata gotebanga junior school teachers across the country are members of KUPPET. KUPPET is a union. Na abarimu ba junior school being bona fide members of the union mbare entitled ko partake na ko participate asa mangana ye union. Kirongo tebanga they are entitled to partake and participate. I mean, mbata ke recover involved from the word go all the way up.
Yes.
Many people of this formed opinion nga abari ba junior school bado na abana and their opinion does not count. But I want to disarray that opinion and entebeka. Abarim ba junior school na barim ba ndepons. Koso mwarimu no mwarimu. Whether no your primary, whether no your junior school, whether no your senior school. Mwarimu no mwarimu. That's what I believe in. And that is the spirit in me. A teacher is a teacher. So amangane union and ntagete go zero in. Nkwanera amangane union yetu ya Kisii. Kupet Kisii. Ntagete the leaders pare in office. Bamanyenga abarimu ba junior school na abarimu buna barobara abarimu. We coexist. And now that we are being deducted the union dues every month, and that is reflected on our pay slips, although that they could request the union leadership in our county to ensure that junior school teachers are represented well. By that I mean junior school teachers, the county union leadership must have the face of junior school teachers. That's what I mean. For the short time, for the short time, tora very samana junior school. Tora tora proper representation.
Yes.
Uneta keire. And I'm now requesting our union Kisii to make sure that going forward junior school teachers are well represented in the union so that our issues down there are captured whenever you people are making decisions. Into our junior school, into some of these union leaders may not understand what we go through because most of them, if not all, now are senior school. So they may not understand really what a junior school teacher goes through. A junior school teacher who goes without lunch. A junior school teacher who teaches from morning to evening without tea break. No lunch, nothing, no welfare. So some of the issues do whether Mbako understand. And the only way even the Beyonce we have brought to the table and we've addressed is to have a union that has the face of junior school teachers. And this message should just cut across, not only in the Kisii County, but across all counties, the 47 of them in this country.
I'm sorry, Mr. Ego, representation ya junior school teachers,
as currently constituted, I'm sorry to say no. Junior school teacher, there's no single junior school teacher as we speak or in that office, even tentatively waiting for election or something of the sort. In my opinion, I feel like we should have the leaders in office should have found it wise for the time being nominate our junior school maybe in every sub-county but what a rep. A rep because nominate you junior school or represent all teachers for the time being the elections because elections in next year, sometime next year. And from the look of things, for the short time na around tinda ramondo kong approach antebi yeah, I don't know the other counties because what the representation but I'm talking of Kisii County because this is where I work and this is why I feel like there is a gap. Ntora nyora monto to represent tentatively an interim representation to eringa ki karato retera nyarebe so that having a narrow a bridge junior school ne union because we feel like we've been left out na narrative na gotenga people have this formed opinion nga abana nga bado mbara isana bakoraki but their opinion does not count. I think it should stop. No, we need a representation. Going forward, I'm just requesting the union leadership to ensure that junior school teachers have an interim representative who sits in the meetings they hold from time to time, so that we are also, rather we feel to be a part and parcel of the union. Since we are now bona fide contributors, we contribute, and we feel like our contribution is not making any impact. Yeah.
Mbona sana ana toko rigere your employer TSC mba koroko iwana ane vyombe vyonsi tuwate kiombe gya Kusnet tuwate Kupet na voigo nat bakakoroko iwana nga andakia aboroke momentiro ngeri lakini kurwa sense mo ya aboroke ano chenga bange mpago okiri lakini ense ne manyitenga abali mu mpamentiro mushara
ntagete first of all gotebanga kero okoigwege nto bantu batenga afadhali oigwegeke kubwata oigupi employer yaito yatomenta kantu kake na kwaroche there was that CBA agreement ya korunech union amatuka makega itire gochimanga gaiga tokanyora kantu kakega na the reason why you've witnessed a buzz online, or there has been a lot of noise from teachers across on social media and all that, is because again tongeriki happen kiaba very strange. Asa abarim karaba chikorige pay slip chabo eba realizing akanda kakasini ba mentetu na ende kabuto irwe gachira se union kero aba manyimba roraba tuyaba colleagues ba maita mangana ya mono kero wa tema ko fuatilanga inkie kenainde information ya bete shared ne linga akabesa kaka na chwankalia ngakine roro e union employee tariko koena na chibesa jitoko buturukero mutienyi kucha se union for a couple of months sama tuketa ire kuchamaga.
Yes.
So it was kind of a recovery. A union iko recover from a teacher, a poor teacher. Omenturu
kalio komenda
akabesa kasinini naenda bakakaputurako naenda kakali kwa se pay slipunga gachire union a union. So our question is what is the role of a union? Is the union supposed to oppress the teacher, or is the union supposed to protect the teacher? That is the big question. And this is a question to taranya answers even now as I speak here.
Anda kekerengo bakubutorekere igoro
Eba butorete chibese in fact the anta bega injaka besa na mendunga kega karawe ange shilingi 700 na kitu kidogo baka makubutora chibese chimetinye igotoro chikabesa ko kairita konse kare union dues chikobotoro motienyi it's around 200 shillings so metinye bere bakabutora igo bakabutora 400 ono 400 otebo mwalimu naroganyirire taka aka 700 ye agenda aligina na kaloni ekiombe naende kwa mubuto iri igotoro jinga kwa parents ri mwalimu oyo mwana taika school because abalimu abange ne jilon chimenyati abalimu kwali lazima ogenda ali obugoligento kekega okonyera muino gaiga kwajire kwa bugulira ay ko ire union you did not even consult teachers you did not communicate prior to teachers over there nakia be ready, be prepared going forward ngoje ko recover tori chipesirita koteki chita toritu chitana chitoma tokaire you just ambush pay slip yo mwalimu ochandegete then you are here telling us that you are protecting the interest of teachers. How? I mean, is it even practical? Is it even doable? Because the same union is expected to protect the interest of the teacher. Now the same union is here, you know, trying to play victim. They are supposed to explain to us, but then at what stage did this happen? But then again, you realize even the leaders in office cannot even tell us. They cannot give a conclusive, you know, answer as to why this happened to our patients. We've tried our best. And I can confirm that one. A response they want to recover the money. Meaning, if China union enga kieri patana kwere employee ta chite remit union dues for 4 months, it simply means nga omwalimu is also going to witness the same deduction even next month. Omotinyo na bado ngokorareki kubuturale ita na obara amwe bamubutore yose 200 this month and next month na bakorte bamubutore 200. I want to tell you Madam Matilda, let me tell you one thing. 500 shillings as a pay slip you mwalimu is a lot of money. I want to confirm that to you. Kerchi amendiro as a pay slip yao. You can just go to the bank obatainga nkonya ngojiri buiko mikoro apungiro mane school. I want to tell you that 1000 shillings cha amendiro as a pay slip you mwalimu omwalimu na ari konyo chibangire. I think this 1000 because a pay slip ya already eros atene what loans and all that already 1000 cha koreki cha amendiro. At least one na what room na ndiyo walk to that bank abatena kikorakaraki karankonya 20000 omwana koreki ara irande school union ya jire naero ya ambushire ya rusiri akabeza kuna ndeka mento nande yakerira konsipi. Then I ask this question, what is the role of a union? Do we have true unionists in place, or we just have people masquerading to be unionists when they are just opportunists? That is my question, and up to this end I've not gotten an answer to that question. So I want to encourage our teachers. Simple. We just want true unions in place. We want a union that understands a teacher. A union that speaks for the teacher. A union, regardless of the circumstances and the underlying issues, a union that is there for the teacher at all times. We don't want a union that smiles with the teacher in the open, at night they do other things. And that is why, going forward, as teachers, and in this case I'm speaking as a junior school teacher, because we are also equal partners in the union, we want proper representation.
Mbia mwana sana, Mr. Masoti. Kelvin Ondusa watakurwa marani, akotevanga Mr. Masoti gasi mwokora nengia, serikali ebeke nibo isaine ase CBE na riemeremo erabe ebuya. From your perspective, niga kubolinga what's the main challenge? I think wakwanere, singecho yebiro na nento kuchiko erorera, challenges in CBE at the moment, if nevinto tukwanere kuro tuagachake tumboro belio. Nande nkagirete wano, na andake ne nkwana yao yomo elio rabatuke,
Thank you. Yes. Thank you very much. Again, take tangani. Ndate kote ba asante sana soko ngari baga. Yogo chase chi studio chaino na ko osomia. Abantu baito ase program ya CBE. Otherwise commonly known as CBC. Kose aba boli abange banye maite na CBC.
Mbanya go change.
Yeah, kire neto ko patenga, it's called CBE. Na ndege ntokene kya kabere ntate ko tapanga ntate ko send a big thank you as my fans, my supporters Paresco Garia. Na bari my colleagues school yani ya Nyakenogo junior school. Abasani bane buna bono babokwavo. Ndobata basani bane buna ono cha Radio Nsongo. Na abanda abange ntanya commission ngaiga ba very supportive towards ensuring that we have a conducive environment nekerotorense gari. I also want to thank the leadership ya Kepsha in general. Monomona say sub county ane Amarani. Ndate ko say a big thank you to the chairperson Kepsha akorkuwa Mr. Walter.
Yes.
We ramba missionary. A gentleman, is a very good man. Abanto ba ensuring whenever we have an issue in our stations, they come through very fast. Komanyanga inkikendrete na go sort out such issues. Then again, I also want to say that in Chamunande Gaiga, I'm also aspiring to become the next assistant treasurer as a Chikore Union Chirimuto Aiga sometime next year. Ndate ko tebanga abalimu ba minto Paresco Gari se county ya Kisii. Mosoti mumu manyete, we've worked with you to akorere mangana mayamu na ndate ko request in a special way you support my candidature. Unana tebire gaiga, we need true unionists in place so that we can be able to articulate to our issues that are affecting us. Ndo twaranga representations chira obisigali batama yedingi to wetere ground indi to manyedenga ingi to wetere ground, and the only way we can bring these issues to the limelight now to make sure we have proper representation in the union. Now as serikali, I want to say thank you because you've really done us proud. You are the reason we are here today. Thank you very much. Abaibo liba minto badi skogari reta bani skuru, because at the end of the day amangana masomo na haraka kwa society ya change. Thank you very much. Na antiganya sabaseni. Thank you very much.
Mbia mono sana Mr. Masoti, karibu tena na inde chinga kichindo ili nisitogendere gusanga egati yari aborokiwa na boigo aborokia bagendete gukora ase school monjo murigirira asenze meyo nongo korera omorobiri aseritkerega ari Jumatano morobiri obwetwani yagetembe. Mbia mono sana ikiagira kwagendere kuba omwegeno korotwa gachagete chinsa 12 cha bombe wekera ase birebiga kolinde ase bono kwegura na Masoti atevire abaibori baire abana school na boigo nyara okoro kubwatirana na boigo na borokia koroko Matilda boigo cross studio akabire nere Villa Akariri na boigo Wilfred Matundra ika nainde chinsa isana ibere chamuga so asebona genda gutigara ime ya Getembe TV.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda.